Hi everyone, welcome to MaxLaser. If you've ever wondered what a heat press machine actually is, how it works, and whether it's a right tool for your business, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking it all down for you. A heat press machine is a device that uses a combination of heat and pressure to transfer the design onto various materials. Most commonly fabrics like t-shirts, hoodies, caps, and even mugs and plates. It works by applying high temperature using between 160 to 200 degrees and pressure for a set time using between 10 to 20 seconds depending on the material and the design method. Heat presses are incredibly versatile. Here's a few things that you can create: custom t-shirts, branded caps, sublimated mugs, corporate gifts, personalized baby grows, puzzles, tiles, mouse pads, and much more. Whether you're starting a small business from home or running a print shop, a heat press machine can open up multiple income streams for you. Now let's talk about different types of heat press machines. Flat heat press, great for t-shirts, hoodies, and bags. Your mug presses, perfect for curved surfaces like coffee mugs. Your cap presses, ideal for branding hats and hoodies. And then you've got your 16-in-1 machines. They give you the flexibility of all of the above with interchangeable attachments. At MaxLaser, we offer high-quality machines that's built to last. No hot spots, even pressure, and magnetic auto-open feature for convenience and safety. So who uses a heat press machine? Small business owners selling custom apparel, startups in the gifting and corporate branding space, schools, universities, and training centers, creatives launching their own clothing line, even those who want to just do it as a hobby and personalize items at home. At MaxLaser, we are more than just a supplier. We offer live product demos, full installation and training, expert support with a 4.9 Google rating. Our machines are reliable, easy to use, and designed to help you succeed. If you're ready to start creating and growing your business with a heat press machine, get in touch with maxlaser.co.za. Check out our range, request a demo, or speak to one of our experts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.